Welcome to Great Mats TV. Today we're going to talk about dance flooring and the things to consider when you are thinking about purchasing a dance floor. So obviously you probably know whether you're going to be home or commercial. For commercial installations, the vast majority of our customers are going to go with a Marley floor. Most Marley is 5 to 6 feet wide and comes in rolls that are 100 and 130 feet long. We can cut the rolls to fit, but most customers will purchase as many full rolls as possible, cut on site, and we might ship one partial roll so the customer doesn't buy more than they need. So when you talk about Marley, you are going to be thinking about the shoe type. Do I need a Marley for hard shoes, or is my studio only soft, or a mix of both? If it's a mix of both, hard and soft, then you are going to go with a Marley that's suitable for hard, which is going to be the Roscoe Adagio as one option, for example. The pricing on the Marley that's suitable for hard shoes is a little bit higher than Marley that is suitable for soft shoe only. One characteristic of the soft shoe only Marley is that it's double-sided, so a lot of times it's black with gray or black with white. We do have various products that are considered portable. All Marley technically is portable. The portable nature of some of our Marley versus others is that some is going to be less stiff and it's going to be easier to roll up and take with you to your performance, to a different venue or a stage inside or outside. Thanks for watching Great Mats TV. It's been my pleasure to be with you today.